All right, so you want to find new places to fish? I'm going to show you right here. Ready? This is the secret right here. A lot of this. Lots of this right here, okay? Find some places on Google Earth that look good. Pin a whole bunch of them. And then just drive. Throw your line out there. And if you catch something, then there's fish there. And you can keep going back. That's how I've found my favorite places to fish that very rarely have other people there. And that's how I will continue to find places to fish. So that's my piece of advice for all of you guys that are messaging me and asking.